You say you do whatever, and that's cool. But he'll never be me, and she'll never be you. Girl, you do what you want, and I'll be on my way. You about my face. What these bitches want from a nigga? What they really want from me? What they really on when I'm looking there bad now? What she really want when she hitting me? What she really on when she feeling me? Do it real quick, then shawty fucking dead, but none of that pussy been healing me. Now I can't give it none of my energy. Looking at the taxi shit is killing me, but I still keep cruising. You can't keep me happy, keep that motherfucker moving. Happy that you thought of me, but I don't wanna do shit. Don't wanna fuck, play games and be stupid. Just do what you do. You gon' act clueless and make your moves, but I don't ever want a woman like you. I just regret the night I ever piped you. At least I probably wouldn't feel the way that I do, cause now I'm in the covers with the pain in my groove, sipping my Henny and trying to get loose. But now I ain't friendly, I ain't trying to be cool. I'm more than inclined to act a motherfucking fool. So bitch act right and don't try to act cute. Stop thinking that it ain't nobody like you, cause I done hit a couple damn bodies like you, but they just not you. You say you do whatever, and that's cool. But he'll never be me, and she'll never be you. Girl, you do what you want, and I'll be on my way. You about my face.